Hey, what's up guys, Satish here, and I'm back with an interesting video today. If you own a Redmi Note 6 Pro device or any other Xiaomi phone running on MIUI 10, then I got 16 hidden features in the device to show you. Let's get started. The first comes the hiding a notch. Redmi Note 6 Pro is the first Redmi Note phone to sport a notch. Well, if you don't wish to see the notch, you can always hide it by going into settings, then full screen display, and turn on the toggle that says hide notch. So it basically makes this phone a Redmi Note 5 Pro without a notch. Based on real world experience, I have seen people taking screenshot multiple times in order to take a screenshot of a particular screen. Well, you need not to do this anymore. Take a screenshot, tap the preview, tap the scroll option. Now all you need to do is to sit back and let the magic happen. Now you are going to get a screenshot from top to bottom. Redmi Note 6 Pro comes with all new Quick Ball. Quick Ball is a shortcut that is subtle and reminds all the time, which can be further customized by setting a particular app or maybe setting a shortcut, which is going to be very handy. In order to activate this, head to the settings, tap additional settings and then Quick Ball. Now turn on the toggle. One more feature that went unnoticed is a feature that lets you to delete multiple photos easily rather than selecting each and deleting one after another. Let's assume you got 50 pictures to delete. Long tap a picture and now slide across the screen to select the pictures to delete. Pretty useful, right? Redmi Note 6 Pro has call recording option inbuilt in the phone. You need not to download a third-party application to utilize this feature. To enable this, head to the settings, system apps, call settings, call recording and turn it on. In fact, you can record call for certain numbers that you assign. I assume many of you know this feature, but let me talk about this for those who don't know about this feature. You can password protect any app that you download. In order to activate this, go to settings, app lock. Now put the apps that you want to be password protected. I know you guys gonna put gallery and WhatsApp mostly under password protection. This is gonna be a handy feature if you often use the camera app. By default, every time you launch a camera, it lands on photo mode. For instance, I mostly use portrait mode, and every time I launch the camera, I want to land on portrait mode instead of photo mode. Well, to achieve this, head to the camera settings and turn on the option that says save previous mode. Call your closed one by assigning quick dial by long tapping a number key in the contact screen. For instance, long tap number 2 and now assign a closed one's number. Long tapping number 2 now gonna make call instantly. In order to activate this, go to settings, advanced settings and now get into the quick dial. Now you can add, modify, delete quick dial contacts. Often it is hard to touch the other end of the phone just in single-handed. You need not to reach the top of the screen to bring this notification bar. Swipe down anywhere on home screen to pull the notification bar. You can quickly launch the camera by double pressing the volume down key. To enable this, go to setting, lock screen, password and now turn on the menu that says launch camera. You can enable showing battery indicator in terms of percentage. Most of the OEM nowadays disables this feature. So to enable this in Redmi Note 6 Pro, go to settings, notification and status bar, battery indicator and change it to percentage. MIUI 10 comes with game booster feature that can offer stable network speed, boost the performance of the phone and has do not disturb feature. This is a perfect feature for all those gamers out there to enjoy gameplay without any interruption. It is easy to turn on this feature by entering into security app, scroll down and choose the game speed booster and start adding the games that you want. The feed section, which is being called as app vault in this phone, can be disabled if you are a victim of very often accidentally landing on this app vault. To disable this, long tap on home screen, tap settings and more. Now disable the app vault option. World is moving towards the gestures instead of relying on on-screen navigation keys. Initially you might have a hard time using, but as you start using it, you will get used to it. To enable this, head to settings, full screen display. Now enable the full screen gestures. All those selfie lovers, it is easy to take a selfie just by tapping a fingerprint scanner rather than performing gymnastics by tapping the shutter button. To enable this, head to settings under the camera app, scroll down and enable the option that says fingerprint shutter. The last in the list is another handy feature in Redmi Note 6 Pro, and it is screen recorder. It can be accessed right from your quick access menu and it starts recording instantly. So that's all I got to show you guys. Hope these are helpful. If you think I deserve a credit for making this video, then hit the subscribe button to become part of this channel. This is Satish. Have a nice day and stay awesome.